Here you have a little ginger cunt here in his natural habitat. Yes, come on lad. Right, we'll be back with you in a second. Oh, this is unreal, this. Wow.
Crazy people used to sleep down here.
All the marks where they've been chiselling away at it and that. Some more beds here. It's a lot warmer in here, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Which way do you want to go? Should we have? Oh, is that blocked off?
Yeah, no.
Should we follow the arrow and go left or what?
Straight on the floor.
Yeah, get your bag. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable.
It took a long time to do this.
There's another entrance there that's blocked off.
Right, there's a lot of fucking...
This is amazing, this place.
You think they almost live down there?
I think they have at some point, yeah. Can't blame them really, can they? It's warm and dry, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously I won't like to do it myself, like, but
I wouldn't want to fucking wake up there.
if I didn't have a choice, I'd rather do somewhere like this where it's dry.
There's the other entrance.
No, this is the one we just came in.
Is it?
Yeah, we're just on a circle.
Right,
Come on then, let's work our way back up.
Arrows.
Right. Take a wander down this way. So we got it right, go further away. Oh, that's a dead end that anyway. Let's just have a quick look if there's anything down here. Got all that lot coming through the wall there, that looks mint that. Quality.
Oh, mate, don't you guys here? Yeah, a bit fucking sludgy now.
Yeah, it's dripping in through here, innit? You can see it.
Yeah. Checking it's stable, that.
Well, it's stood for like nearly 100 years, hasn't it? So I would have thought so. Another entrance blocked off. And another one here that's been filled in. Shove the camera through here, but nothing much to see there anyway.
This is an actual door.
Was it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, another entrance there, guys.
Stops, yeah?
We're in a dead end, yeah. That'll work out that way, that one. I don't think we've been down this bit, so come on. We'll have a mission down here.
Yeah. I know it's that stick. Yeah, we have been down there. We just need to turn another way to what we turned last time when we get down there.
Not been down here. Look at this, there's an old toilet here.
Right.
An old toilet, look at it, it's even got a seat on it and that. Look at that. Any war poos in there or that?
I don't know what. Yes.
I've walked off bit.
Don't think we've been down there.
No, definitely not. What's in here? I think this would have been another entrance, would it? I don't know actually. Some more beds here. This is absolutely crazy, this place. Just goes off everywhere. I think you could quite easily get lost in here. Some more beds here.
I tell you what, I feel safer in here than I did in fucking Pillars, mine.
Well, yeah, there is that. Look at that, man.
It's like a pipe, this one. Isn't it?
Just imagine all the families just down here sleeping at once. Everyone snoring and farting in the middle of the night.
Bombs going off at night, knocking it off. Yeah.
Madness.
There's the shitters in here.
Oh yeah, here's a toilet here, guys.
Fucking take it in.
You smell shit as well, have you farted?
Yeah, I think that, yeah.
All little cubicles there. There's a toilet still in this one. Madness. Some more beds here.
Does it carry on that way?
I don't know. Is that just where we just was on that corridor?
Yeah,
a
we
bit?
come from this left side, so
Right.
we need to keep going.
Let's keep wandering down
Down
here.
there, mate.
Some more beds here.
Why would you want to come here to get drunk? It's not my choice.
Don't know. I mean, obviously when you're younger and that, you just find shelter, don't you, wherever you can. To go and chill out. This would have been mint. Imagine living near this when we were younger.
Oh mate.
We'd have loved it.
There's a reason why the block's up though, it's so fucking kids don't get lost down
That's
here.
it, innit?
Get dragged off by the fucking tunnel demons.
That old school pack of Doritos there. How long's that been there?
Huh? What?
These old Doritos here. They're well old, them. Check for a date on them.
Yeah, they are 90s, them,
Aren't they? You can tell by the logo on
With
them.
Taz.
Is there a date on them?
Tazos. You got 3 Tazos in them, didn't you? Don't remember?
Oh shit, yeah. The dates.
It's having best before date, won't it? Printed on.
Yeah, it's gone.
They all like it. So they had electric down here.
Yeah, they definitely did have electric.
Yeah, look.
Yeah,
There's no bulbs.
Yeah. Good electric supply. Mad. You can see all the chisel marks here as well. Proper soft, that stuff.
I'm going to have a shit down there somewhere. Why does it always make me excited doing this way? Yeah.
Because you're a weirdo. Here's the cables there, look.
Yeah.
The old electric cables. Another poo bin. It's going uphill here now, isn't it?
Huh?
It's going uphill here now.
Do what?
It's going uphill.
Uphill. Mm. A little selfie on this bed here. On this prison bed. Oh, wow, it's wet.
Is it dripping through, yeah?
No, it's wet on this fucking bed.
Is that blocked off, yeah? Just like little mini bedrooms, aren't they?
They were the master suites. You've got a bedroom.
That's it, innit?
Weekend.
Can you get a castle?
Is that actually down? Can't tell. It looks like it's running down.
Yeah, I think that's just going to go down to where we've been, but let's just have a wander down because I don't want to miss any bits. Yeah, this is just where we turn right down there. Yeah, we've been down that bit there.
You can't go any further, here.
Is that blocked off, is it?
No, it's just the end of the tunnel.
Alright, yeah. Right, come on then, we'll mission down that way then.
Let's go further.
Another entrance blocked off there. Still not found the main entrance yet. There's some steps to go up to the main entrance. There's loads of beds down here. Let's have a wander down this one.
Well, it was built for 6,000 people, weren't it?
Near enough 7,000 people it was built for. It were extended, weren't it? I don't know whether that's like
I wonder what they used to dig it out.
from the war or what, but it's old.
I wonder what fucking tools they used to dig
This
it
as well.
out. They obviously didn't do it by hand.
I don't know, it must have been.
No, it would have took fucking years, mate. With a fucking shovel. Let's see, 3PO
Old
on
school,
Walker's,
then.
Chris there.
Old school Transformer snacks. Mad. A little bit there, blocked off. Oh, it just goes off everywhere, doesn't it? It's absolutely huge, this place. Trouble is, I don't want to miss any of it, so.
Yeah, I'll come here, Gary. Here.
Oh, here we go. Here's the main entrance. So this is the main entrance here, guys. This is where people would have been running down when they got that air raid siren. Look at that. I'll have a bit of a wander up, but I think it's just blocked off at the top. Yeah, it's just bricked up at the top. But yeah, you can see.
Look at all these candles here, what the fuck's going on there? Loads of them. This is obviously where people come to get pissed up. Candle lit and that. The fuck?
Madness.
Look, sea lights all the way up.
Crazy. Yeah, so we've just been down that way to get to the main entrance, so we'll go this... No, we can't go that. Go down, yeah.
You feel yourself dropping further.
Yeah, we're back down out there now. Deeper and deeper.
We've been here.
Yeah, we have. Just need to work around a different way now, don't we? This is absolutely amazing, this place. Look at that.
Yeah, we've been here before, haven't we? Definitely.
Yeah. Right, we came out of that toilet and went that way, so we need to come down here then.
Yeah, we came in from the
Is
other
this-
side.
is this
other
another-
side of the toilets. We came, if you
Yeah,
go
there's
across-
another toilet. This would,
We
like,
came
obviously,
in
it would have
from
been
the other
men's
side.
and women's, wouldn't there? So this is the other block of toilets. It's still in there. I don't know why my camera's doing this now. Losing focus. Another toilet there, some more beds. Yeah, there's another way through here, I thought we've not been. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Talking about the homeless before, it looks like someone has been sleeping here. Poor bastards.
Like I say, it's better than outside.
Yeah, it's warm and dry anyway, at least, isn't it? I don't like to be in here at night on my own though.
No, it'd be fucking scary on your own, yeah.
Wouldn't it?
You obviously wouldn't have batteries to last you all night, would you?
No.
But light.
Alright, now then. I think that's just blocked off anyway, is it? Or is that another corridor there? No, that's just where we... Oh, hang on, I don't know, you know.
That's just the corner.
It's hard to tell, it's just all the same, isn't it?
Read what's on
I
the
don't think we
walls.
have been here. No idea. And I've absolutely no idea where we are, so I don't know how we're going to find the way out. No, exactly. Notorious knob. No, we've definitely not been down this one. FK squad.
Ready, as I am, who's moving down the door. What? Mike licked Pam's tits.
Lucky boy.
Oh, Mike. Keep licking Pam's tits now.
Madness. Some more electrical cables here, guys. Madness. So a quick mooch on my own while he drops his ass. What? Well, hurry up then. just goes off everywhere. It's absolutely huge, this place. Right, yeah, we're back at that main entrance here now, so I'll take you down this way, yeah, because I don't think we've been down this one. I wouldn't like to come down here on my own. Could easily get lost. Wow, look at that. Some more marks there where you can see where they've been chiselling away at. Look at these here. Wonder whether that was I don't know what it was. It's been like to hold the cables up or something, or the lights or whatever. There's loads of them. Madness. All these beds there, man. Imagine sleeping down there with loads of random families who you don't even know. Scared for your life. I think this is blocked off here now anyway. Yeah, I'll make my way back down there and find him again. I'll just show you this here, guys. Who remembers them? Got the date on it. 18th of Feb, 95. Old school, man. This here must have been an old light fitting.
What?
Just saying, this here must have been an old light fitting.
Yeah.
Right, I think we might have covered most of it now, but we'll have a quick venture off anyway and see if we've missed anything. Yeah, quality.
Fucking hidden gem.
It is a hidden gem, this. Love it. I love these underground explores.
See, you know, that's how people stay in there overnight, though. They use them.
Yeah, the candles.
Everywhere. Hundreds of them. Tea lights.
It's warm enough anyway, innit? Yeah, this is that main entrance. So, yeah, I think we're pretty much done because obviously some of it's blocked off, innit? Yeah. What an amazing place this is.
Yeah, it can't be done by hand. Although it does look like it if you...
It must have been. It's been chiselled away. You can see all chisel marks. It's done by hand, this, mate. It's only sandstone, innit? So, I mean, you can see how easily that comes off. It's flaking off in my hand.
So they just dug it out with
Do you know what I mean? It's just...
Must have took a long
Just pickaxes and that, innit? Just hard graft. Hundreds and hundreds of people digging away at it. I bet people died when they were digging it out and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, there would have been collapses and all.
That's how it was back then, weren't it? I don't think we've been down this bit. I don't reckon
Yeah,
it was
this is where it was downhill. It's been down there. I think they're at the top where the toilet's out there.
Another entrance blocked off.
start following you.
Right, yeah, I think we're pretty much done here, guys, so I'm going to end the video here, but I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Let's come back with you in a minute here, because we are lost. We are officially lost. Which way have you gone?
Here.
Where's here?
Here.
Here?
Here. Here I am.
Get me out of here!
Get me fucking out of here!
Right, there's the notorious knob there. So I think we need to go this way.
I think it's this way. These are the toilets there.
I've absolutely no idea really, but we'll just go this way anyway.
Like the back of my fucking hand. I grew up here as a child, I did.
Yeah, I think we're on the right track.
Yeah.
Follow the arrow. To be fair, if you followed them arrows, you'd literally go around in circles, wouldn't you? Because
Exit, yeah, some of them are black.
yeah, they're blagging you because that's saying that way and that's saying the opposite way.
Designed to fucking puzzle you. Innit?
Doesn't take much for us to get puzzled, does it, to be fair?
Hey, that's the way we came, I jumped over them. Fucking Jordan.
This is the thing about this place. If anyone comes down here, make sure you got a bit of an head on you, because
Do you not remember me climbing?
you can very easily get lost. And if there's any kids watching, do not come down here at all.
Definitely jumped over that and now I feel like I'm going back in it.
We're just going around in circles, mate, I'm telling you. It's part of the fun, and we'll get out. Eventually.
We had to do that for a bit. Didn't we?
We did.
Just got to keep going, haven't you?
That's it.
Do not follow the fucking arrows, because that's what I've been
No,
doing.
yeah, if you do come down here, don't follow the arrows, just go wherever you want, ignore them.
I've got a sneaky
I can hear cars. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I remember, try and follow the grey tunnels, because I remember coming down a fucking grey tunnel on the way through. You know what I mean?
That don't mean nothing, mate.
Right, 3.
Right, is this it here? This looks like we're going on the right track. Yeah, we're here. We found it, guys, we're out. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.